wake up, you go to work, you come home tired. And somehow, you are still broke. This is not bad luck. This is by design. Your boss is not your partner. Your company is not your family. You are a tool. And tools do not get rich. You have been told work hard, get promoted, retire happy. That story was written for you, by people who never planned to let you win. You are not broke because you spend too much. You are broke because the system pays you just enough to keep you coming back tomorrow. The next 8 minutes will break something inside you, not your spirit, your illusion. The illusion that your job will ever set you free. You already know something is wrong. You earn, you pay bills. Nothing is left. Every month, like clockwork, like a trap. What I am about to tell you, they never teach this in school. They never teach it because school wasn't built to free you. It was built to produce you. Stay with me, because by the end, you will not see your job the same way. Not even close. In 1950, one job fed a family of 4, paid a mortgage, bought a car, left savings. That world is dead, and they killed it quietly. Today, 2 incomes cannot cover what one used to. You are not failing. You are running a race where the finish line keeps moving. Think about the richest people you know. Not one of them got rich from a salary, not one. They own things. You trade hours. They collect while they sleep. You stop earning the moment you stop showing up. That is not the same game. You were never taught the difference between income and wealth. Income stops. Wealth compounds. Your job gives you one. It blocks the other. Your salary has a ceiling. Your boss knows it. HR knows it. You are the only one pretending it does not exist. And every year, they give you a 3% raise. Inflation runs at 6%. You are getting poorer. With a smile on your face, I want you to think about your father or your grandfather. Did they work hard their whole life and still die without real wealth? That was not their fault. They played the rules given to them. Rules written by someone else, for someone else's benefit. You are about to break that cycle. Not tomorrow. Not when you get a raise. Right now, with the information in this video, most people will watch this and do nothing. They will go back to work Monday, accept the cage, and call it stability. But not you. You are still here. You want the real answer. So let me give it to you. Rule 1. You do not get rich from what you earn. You get rich from what you own. Read that again. Jeff Bezos does not earn $1 billion. His assets generate it while he exists. Your job makes you exist to earn. That is the trap. Every dollar you earn, the government takes its cut first. Before you touch it, you are last in line to your own money. Business owners pay tax after expenses. You pay tax before you buy groceries. Same country. Completely different rules. The tax code has 70,000 pages. Most of those pages were written for owners, not workers. Your job does not give you access to that game. Rich people buy assets. Assets buy luxuries. You buy luxuries first, then wonder why no assets exist. The order matters more than the amount. Your car loses value every second you drive it. Your rent pays someone else's mortgage. Your job makes both of those possible, and calls it living. Ownership is not about being greedy. Ownership is the only language money respects. Your job teaches you the wrong language from day one. You cannot buy your freedom with your salary. Your salary is the leash. The longer you stay, the more comfortable the leash feels. Rule 1 is simple. Stop making income the goal. Start making ownership the obsession. Rule 2. Your time has a price. Your job set that price. And they set it as low as you would accept. You agreed. That is the problem. You trade 40 hours a week, 160 hours a month, for a number someone else decided was fair. You never negotiated the actual terms of your life. Time is the only asset that never refills. Money lost, you can earn again. Time lost, it is gone. Permanently. Silently. The rich buy back their time first. They hire, delegate, automate. You are still personally delivering every hour to survive. Your most productive years, 25 to 45. You will spend them inside someone else's building, building someone else's dream, on their schedule. Elon Musk does not sell his time. He builds systems that multiply his time. You cannot multiply what you are still selling. Every promotion they offer you is a better cage, more responsibility, more hours, a slightly bigger number that still belongs to them. Rule 2 is ruthless. Stop selling time. Start building systems. A system works when you sleep. Your job stops the moment you do. Harvard University, 2019. They studied 10,000 workers over 20 years. What they found, they almost did not publish. Workers who stayed employed their entire career accumulated 94% less wealth than those who built income outside their job. Same years, same time, completely different outcomes. Meaning, loyalty to your job is financial suicide. The data says it. Not me. Harvard said it. In writing. Stanford, 2021. They measured cognitive performance of full-time employees over a decade. Result: extended employment reduces financial risk tolerance by 67%. Your job trains your brain to fear risk. Risk is where wealth is built. So your job, over time, makes you biologically unable to get rich. This is why your parents told you, just get a safe job. Their brain had already been reprogrammed. And now, they passed it to you. Rule 3. The rich do not work for money. They make money work for them. Your job has it completely backwards. When you invest, your money generates money. Even while you eat, sleep, live. Your job requires your body. Investing requires only your decision. The average millionaire has 7 income streams. Your job gives you 1. One stream dries up. You are destroyed. COVID proved it. Millions of people lost their single income overnight. Savings gone, dignity gone, options gone. People who had built side income survived. Some thrived because they didn't build their life on one chair. You don't need to quit your job tomorrow, but you need to start building outside it today. Every day you wait, the cost goes up. Start small. 1 asset, 1 side stream, not to replace your job tomorrow, to start breaking your dependence on it today. Rule 3 in 1 line. Make money your employee, not your employer. Your job has those roles reversed. Now I want to tell you who your real enemy is. It is not your boss, not your company, not even the economy. Your enemy is the belief that working hard for someone else will eventually reward you. That belief is the cage, and you built it yourself. They did not force you into this system. They convinced you it was your only option. School, TV, your parents. Every message pointed the same way. The system needs workers more than it needs owners. So it mass produces workers and calls it education. The enemy is not outside you. The enemy is the programming inside you. And right now, you are deprogramming it. You have 3 choices. Keep the job, build alongside it, or build beyond it. All 3 start with the same first step, knowing the truth. The people who build wealth from nothing did not wait for permission, did not wait for the perfect moment. They just started, while still afraid, while still employed. Your job is not the enemy. Dependence on it is. Break the dependence. Keep the income while you build. Subscribe, because every video on this channel is a step toward your freedom.